Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Clubhouse, and this is a simple little Father's Day card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Clubhouse, and we're going to be using this Happy Father's Day. I have a piece here of the SMOKY SLATE. And I have my embossing buddy. And my VERSAMARK ink pad. And I'm just going to stamp this just like that. And then I have my black Stampin' Emboss powder. All right, and I'm going to come in with my heat tool. And then I have the coordinating golf club dies. I'm going to use this one. And I have a piece of the black foil sheet. And I'm just going to use this for that. This piece is cut at 2 by 4. And that is important because we're going to use the outside of that. So I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And then we're going to use this one for this little piece here. All right, and we'll just run that through. So this is what we have. And then also this piece. And I'm going to come in with my Absolutely Argyle. And I'm going to use this. Let's do it sideways so that it's the same. And this blue plate is the 3D embossing plate here. All right. So let's start putting this card together. Our card base is SMOKY SLATE. And it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the Country Club Designer Series paper, and this is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. So I'm just going to put this down with my SNAIL adhesive. just like that. Let's see if that looks good. I think so. So we'll just put this down as well. Here in the middle. All right, and then we're going to put our matte piece down on our card base. So just like that. And now I'm going to pop this up with the Stampin' Dimensional. And we'll put this here. And then, let's see. I'm going to bring in my silicone mat. Just going to apply that. And then I'm going to get these little stringies out. Go ahead and lower this a little bit so that it's centered in our Whisper White, and that's cut at 2 by 2. All right, I think that looks good. And let's see, do we want to pop it up? Yeah, I think we're going to pop that up too. So if you need a quick and simple Father's Day card, this is a pretty good set to have. And it is retiring as well. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Father's Day card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!